Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to use Android's file manager to organize files. First, open the Files app. It's usually built in. Some phones call it My Files or File Manager. Browse through categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, or documents. To move a file, long press it, tap the Move or Copy option, and select the new folder. To rename a file, tap the three dots, then choose Rename. To delete, just select the file and tap the trash icon. This way, you keep your phone tidy, make files easier to find, and free up space when needed. And that's how to use Android's file manager to organize files.